Welcome back everyone. Immediately after purchasing my Volvo V50, I got some accessories for it. And the first one of them is the floor mats. If we go on the Volvo Accessory webpage, we can see that there is a couple of variants. Two of them are textile and the bottom one is the rubber floor mats, the ones that I got. My Volvo came equipped from factory with the second option, the regular textile mats, which are simple but functional. They are waterproof, so water cannot penetrate them, but there is downside to those mats. They're pretty hard to maintain. I mean, cleaning them is quite time consuming to make them look perfect. So I'll always install rubber mats in my Volvos. The other non-factory installed textile floor mat option is called the Sport with reflective edging. It's available for purchase separate, and this is how they look out of the package. It has that reflective edge around the contour of the floor mats. Looks amazing, and thanks for that person that shared those photos with us. And I'm pretty sure that the pictures here do not completely reflect how they look in the car. Let's get back to my purchase here. I got the rubber floor mats. They're all weather. I got them from Toronto, shipped to my house. Including shipping, it was much cheaper than buying here at my local dealer. This is the part number for the floor mats. The rubber mats are available in two colors, quartz and off black. Of course, I got the off black for the interior of my V50. I do recommend getting the tunnel mat, which protects your carpet of the tunnel. They also come in two same colors. I got the black one. This is how it looks out of the package, and the numbers are visible here on the screenshot. We got the quartz and the off black ones. All of them are made in Latvia. Let's unpack, and we can see that the driver mat has this textile portion on it, which prevents your foot from sliding and also protects your footwear from wear. There is a downside that with higher mileage vehicles, this is what happens to the textile portion, but can be fixed on your own by replacing it with other material, so you can just glue it on. All the rest of the mats are just rubber. This is the other color option, which is quartz. You can see the part number on the screen right now. And also you have that matching protective tunnel mat to match all the four mats. Thanks for that person to share all these photos with us. Again, as you can see, his V50 has this bright interior scheme, and definitely the quartz option fits the vehicle here very well. Black wouldn't look good at all. Yes, I would prefer the light interior, but when you buy a used car, there is you can choose. Straightforward and easy installation. Pull out the original textile mat. They are held in place with those waterproof, leak-proof integrated clips. We can reveal the brand new carpet underneath, reinstalling and re-engaging those waterproof, leak-proof clips. I like the edging around those mats. They're raised, which means when snow melts off your boots, it doesn't leak onto the carpet of your car. The driver floor mat, as you can see, all messed up here. Pretty easy to maintain those mats. You need to vacuum them, then you need to brush, then you need to dry. A lot of hassle with those mats. The rubber ones, I like them the most. They're very easy. Pull them out, rinse, brush with some soap. They're quickly drying, and it's quick and easy to make it look nice. I'm gonna move the seats forward here to give me some more room. It is a pretty compact car here, not like my Volvo XC70. The tunnel mat is contoured around the tunnel, very nice. It does protect, especially if you have 3 people riding at the back or kids climbing all around. You first install the tunnel mat and then you install the mats themselves. The clip here is a little bit more difficult to engage since you have 2 mats on one clip. Looks pretty good, let me tell you that. I do like the look, I do like the functionality and how easy it is to maintain those mats. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. Hit like, subscribe to my channel, don't forget the notification bell. In the next video I'll show you how I install mud flaps on the Volvo V50. So I'll see you next time. Bye bye.